Hello everyone, I'm Coco Sherelle and this is my channel Blinginaire. I'm so happy you clicked on my video today because I will be showing how I transformed these classic UGG boots into a CC Inspired pearl dazzle bling out Christmas present for a 7-year-old little girl. If this is your first time to my channel, thank you for clicking on this video. Hopefully you enjoy what you see and hit that like and subscribe button to be part of my Bling family. For my returning viewers and Bling family, it's always a pleasure to have you tune in. Now y'all don't forget to hit that like button also because you already know it's going to be another beauty. So if you would like to see how I design these CC Inspired UGGs, keep watching. To start the CC Inspired look, I first need the CC logo. I already have it saved to my laptop and I'm using the Silhouette Cameo software and machine to edit and cut up my logo. I already pre-measured the area on the UGG boots where I'm going to be placing the logo. So right now, all I'm doing is just adjusting the logo to the measurements. Once the logo is to the size that I need, I'm just going to duplicate it so that I have one for each boot. Right now, I'm clearing up my screen so I can get the logos in position for it to be cut. So this is the final prep screen right before the logo gets sent to the machine for cutting. I already have my glitter heat transfer material on my sticky board. I did have to use some tape because my board is a little bit not sticky anymore. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like. This is some extra glitter that I had. I just cut the piece off and put it on there. So right now I'm about to load it up with some help from my husband. He's going to press the button for me. There he go. And it's loaded up and ready to print. The next thing I'm going to do is just hook it up to my laptop. And once that's hooked in, I'll show you. It's ready to go. Press send. As is. And now we're cutting. The cut is complete and I can see the logo cuts right there. They're faint, but I can see them. So my next step is just to take it off the sticky sheet, cut down the pre-cut that I did on the machine to give me both logos. Now I'm just peeling off any excess vinyl, leaving behind the CC logo. I'm placing the sticky side of the logo onto the boot and I'm using my measuring tape to make sure that it's centered. I'm using a standard iron on high heat, no steam, to bond the glitter heat transfer vinyl onto the boot. So right now I'm making sure that the vinyl is completely bonded with the boot and that there's no gaps. Okay guys, let's get ready with the design. I will be using my handy dandy E6000 glue. Please be in the well ventilated area. I am wearing a respirator because I use a lot of this glue and it stinks. I even have the window open and the fan on at times. As usual, all items or at least something similar will be listed in the description section below if you are interested. If you haven't already, please consider joining the Bling family and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up so other viewers like yourself can see my content. I have another DIY CC Inspired creation that I did on a pair of Converses for my niece Sweet 16. If you would like to see how I did that, I will leave the link to that video in my description section below. Oh, look at that sparkle. Isn't it so pretty? You can leave it just like that if you want, but we're not. We're gonna put some more bling onto the back logo. I'm sorry guys, I forgot to mention that I'm using stone size 4mm right here around the UGG logo, and then on the CC logo that I designed, I use 5mm. So now it's time to put the pearls on. So I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of the design and the pattern that I'm doing. The rest of the video will continue to be sped up during the duration of the design because I do value your time. So right here, I only use pearl size 4mm just to outline certain areas of the UGG boots to give me a nice outline. I use pearl size 3mm to 12mm for the entire boot, placing them down randomly. This is a scattered pattern pearl placement, just like playing Tetris. I also leave a little bit of space in between the pearls. It doesn't really look like it, but I do. I really don't want the pearls to touch each other too much. I want to allow some flexibility for bending because a 7-year-old will be wearing them. And the E6000 glue has flexibility. Please enjoy me doing what I do best, and I will pop in here and there if I feel I have to explain something. When working around the logo, I like to use more smaller size pearls. This way I know they fit in those tight corners. I will add the bigger ones in here and there where I feel that they're needed. Hey guys, y'all still with me? Well, I hope you are. This is turning out so nice. I'm almost done with the front of the boot and I'm about to start working on the back. I'm almost done. I'm at the very end. Thanks for riding with me this long during the whole design. I just want to give you some quick information. This is a size 13 kids, and it took me about 4.5 hours for each boot. I'm not sure the exact number of pearls. I'm gonna guess a little over 3,000 each boot because they're different sizes. I just have that little bit left to go, and I cannot wait for y'all to see the final look. Stay with me, guys. Here you go. Merry Christmas, sweetheart. Open your gift.
Some bling in there?
Yes, darling, we are her loyal customer.
Oh my god, they're so pretty! Mom, Dad, CC Inspired UGG Boots? Thank you so much. I love them.
So yes, guys, I'm doing a little bit of role playing. This is what I expect everybody to do if they open up something I created. This is the finished look. I think they came out beautiful. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section about this design. Is this something you think you would get for your daughter or maybe rock for yourself? I would love to hear what you think. Thank you all for watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Blinginaire is on Instagram if you would like to follow me there. And if you would like to place an order, my SD Boutique link will be in the description section below. Everyone, have a merry, happy, wonderful holiday. And until next time, stay blessed. Bye-bye.